Hi guys, Rachel here. Just wanted to come on and cover a few things, do a little intro before I get to my unboxing. I misspoke a lot in the unboxing, but I didn't want to retape it because then I don't feel like it would be a true unboxing. But I misspoke a couple things. I tripped over a couple words, so I thought I'd come in here and clarify a few things before you guys watch the unboxing video. My channel, I plan on it being about trying to get my home more organized. And anybody that wants to join me on that journey, feel free. 31 makes it so easy to organize things, and I've always longed to be one of those moms that is really good at the organizing and the planning and the cleaning, and I, for the life of me, cannot be one of those moms. But I'm going to do my darndest this year, and I think 31 is going to help make that a lot easier. Also, for the giveaway, I'm doing a giveaway until the end of January. It will close January 31st at 10 p.m. Central Time. The party has already reached over $200. Yay! So somebody is getting a it's the Merlot All About the Benjamins wallet with the wristlet. And as soon as it hits $300, I will add another item for the giveaway. And then every 100 after that, I'm going to keep adding items. If you guys want to suggest some items you might like to see, I'm up for suggestions. I'll put a link below to shop the party. Also, we have the outlet sale going on right now, up to 70% off. And that only goes until the 16th of January. So check out the outlet sale. They've got a lot of good deals. If you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe if you're interested in coming on this organizing journey with me. And I hope you enjoy the unboxing. Hopefully my video skills will get a little better as time goes on. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye. Hi guys, Rachel with 31 Gifts here. And for my first video on my channel, I thought I would unbox my kit for you guys. Super excited to start selling 31. If you don't know what 31 is, they're most known for their bags and thermal totes. They have so much more than that now. Purses and a new home, I forget what it's called. They have like a wooden serving tray, something for pictures. So many awesome things. All right, now I got the $99 kit. So with tax and shipping, it ended up being like $119 and some odd change. Let's see what we got. Okay, first open it. Welcome to 31. It's got the, looks like what's in your kit. Tells all the stuff that's in your kit. And different uses for some of the things, it looks like. And then a how-to guide. Okay. Then I have the Top-a-tote. So excited for this. Love the idea of that. All right, and then
everything in the large utility tote.
I Heart 31. So cute. Okay, so the Top-a-tote is if you want a cover for your utility tote. And then the handles just pop right through. But it keeps everything, and you can still see what's in there, which is nice. So like sheets, blankets, stuff like that. And that way you can still see what you've got stored in there. Okay. Then let's see. Pack of 10 pink envelopes. Sure, that'll be nice for sending out if you do like a catalog party or something. And this is the fold and file in ombre stripe. Super excited for this. Just folds up. And you've got 2 mesh pockets there. Super nice. And the pillow cover. And this one is Fall Truck, the Happy Harvest one. Super cute. Just get a pillow, zip on in there. I believe you can personalize these. Not 100% sure yet since I just started, but I'm pretty sure, and I'm pretty sure they do embroidery too. This is just printed on. I think you can get some of the prints with embroidery. Don't quote me though. And Little's Carryall. I love these things. So they did Christmas ones, and I bought a bunch for my nieces and nephews and put the little, they have these zip snacker things. I put those in there with a book and then a snack in the snacker and a couple other little things. And then mom and dad can use them to store toys. My son uses this to put, he has these little teeny mates, they're called, teeny little football guys. He stores his in there. And then it's got a mesh pocket here too. Not bad for like bathroom or pantry storage either. You put some markers, crayons, colored pencils, all that kind of good stuff. Ooh, and this one. So this is a wristlet strap in deep Merlot and goes with their All About the Benjamins wallet, which also is in deep Merlot. I have this wallet, you guys, and I love it so much. It's got a bunch for your cards, the license, flap there, pocket there, zipper pocket, more for your cards, another pocket. My phone fits in here. I can just grab this and go, and I absolutely love it. And then you put the wristlet. You can use this for your keys. I use mine on my wallet because I like to use it as a wristlet. And it just hooks to the D-ring.
Maybe. Oh, for goodness sakes. We'll do that later.
But since I already have one of these, I will be giving one of these away. Since it's my launch party, my first time starting with 31, I want to start it out with a bang. So I will be doing giveaways. The more the party grows, the more giveaways I will be doing. And this will be for sure the first giveaway. The All About the Benjamins wallet with the wristlet. So if you want to win, stay tuned. This is the cinch sack charcoal crosshatch print. Oh, look at that cute fox. He's so cute. One of the little, you could personalize these in any way, obviously. It's got a nice pocket here. Open up, goes all the way down. I love these too. These are great for sports, like literally anything. My kids put stuff in here and they're pretty, like they're pretty big. And then it just cinches up. It's perfect. What else? Oh, so many things. The crossbody thermal tote. Super excited for this. do not have one of these yet. I have a bunch of thermals, but I did not get the crossbody thermal. It's got just an open pocket right there. And then it's got the strap for if you want to do crossbody adjustable, or you've just got the two little handles here. And it's pretty big. Stands up nice, and that's so this is what the thermals look like on the inside. Love that. And this is just a big zipper pouch in their pattern origami pop. So many different things you could use this for. I think I'll probably use, well, probably get more, but this is great to keep like your charging cords and stuff in, or TV cords or anything like that, or even when you're traveling. Could even be a good makeup bag. It's pretty big. Just put that in there. And this, ooh, the Retro Metro bag. I could probably give this one away too. You guys will have to let me know. For every, I think we'll do for every, once the party gets to 200, every 100 after that, I'll add another item to give away. So $200 in sales, you'll get this. Every 100 after that, I'll add more. You guys will have to let me know what you want for giveaways of this stuff. Super, super cute bag. I love the print. I love how soft it is. Nice pockets on the sides. It's got the little clip here. You probably clip your keys to that or something. That would be super nice. And then it's got a little zip pouch here. And then one little pocket and two little pockets there. And then the rest is just open. Super, super cute. So many different things you could use that for. Traveling, regular bag. Okay, and this, the zip top organizing utility tote in the origami pop too. I just love this print. It's so cute. Let's see. So it pops out like this. And it's just nice and big and open on the inside. Zips up. And then it's got a mesh pocket on both sides. And then it's got two pockets here. And then three over here. Definitely something else. If you guys are interested in this being in any of this stuff that you see, if you want it in the giveaway, let me know. I'm more than happy to add these as items. Otherwise, I can add different items. And then we get, looks like swatches. Yes, fabric swatches.
So people can feel and see what they all look like. Diddy Dot, Dandelion, Dream, the gray crosshatch. I believe that's the natural canvas. Yep, so you get those.
4. This is product feature tags. Oh, okay. Well, that's just really kind of neat. So it just, I think it's all the products that we offer in just really compact form. This would be great to like keep in your purse, especially when you're new and only know a few of the products.
Yeah, it tells you the price and everything, features, so you run home with. Oh, close to home tray, close to home caddy, or two, and close to home table gallery. Some of the new things that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Super cool. I like that.
And then a 40 pack of mini catalogs. Super helpful. goodness, so heavy. And a 25 pack of the regular size catalogs. And winter collection pack of catalogs, 15 of them. And then just your business essentials. Looks like, congratulations on becoming a part of the 31 family. Opportunity brochures to hand out to anybody else that's interested. If you're interested, let me know. Super, super fun, super excited, super worth it. Order forms. And looks like hostess flyers. Super fun. Right. So, my first video, not super techie and good at this stuff, but if there's anything that you guys want to see, let me know. I plan on doing a lot of Organize With Me videos. I plan on doing lots of giveaways. If you're interested in hosting a party, hit me up. We can do online catalog, whatever works for you. Then again, for the month of January, for my launch, I'll be doing the giveaway. I'll be doing, for sure, the All About the Benjamin's wallet in the Merlot. Once the party reaches $200, every 100 after that, I will add more stuff to give away. So let me know the kind of things you want to see in the giveaway. Also, right now, until the 16th of January, they have the outlet sale going on. So 75% off of a lot of stuff. So many good deals. So many good deals. So definitely check that out. 16th is when it ends. So, and they just added a bunch of new stuff on the 9th. So super, super, super good stuff. All right. I think that's it. Subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in future videos. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope to see you back. Have a good night, you guys. Bye.